Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in to Paysafecard. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in paysafecard.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Paysafecard. From here, you'll be able to log in or sign up for your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can simply click on the option sign up and create the Paysafecard account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, simply click on the option login. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the login interface of Paysafecard. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is provide your email address or username and password over here. So simply click on the field of email address or username. Now over here, what you have to do is enter your email address or username. Here I've entered my email address. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. You can see over here I've already entered it. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. And if you're trying to log in with your username and if you forget your username, simply click on the option forget username and you'll be able to recover it. After you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Paysafecard. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.